Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a snowball. First, you need to find the right kind of snow. Look for fresh, slightly wet snow that's perfect for packing, usually when the temperature is right around freezing. If the snow is too powdery or too icy, your snowball won't form correctly. Also, remember to wear waterproof gloves to protect your hands from the cold and moisture. This ensures a comfortable and fun snowball making experience. Now let's start forming the core of your snowball. Begin by scooping up a small amount of snow, roughly 2 to 3 inches in diameter. This initial amount will be the foundation. Gently press the snow together in your hands, applying steady, even pressure. The goal here is to create a dense, compact core that won't fall apart easily. Don't squeeze too hard, or the snow might just crumble through your fingers. Once you have a solid core, it's time to build up your snowball. Roll the core around in more fresh snow, allowing it to pick up additional layers. As you roll, continue to gently press and shape the snowball with your hands to maintain its density and roundness. Aim for a nice, spherical shape, typically around 3 to 4 inches in diameter, for the best results. This method ensures a firm and well-formed snowball. Your snowball should now be firm and perfectly round, ready for action. Give it a gentle tap against a surface to ensure it's dense and won't break apart easily. A well-made snowball will hold its shape and feel solid in your hand. Now you're all set for some winter fun. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Find the link for this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.